And by the way, guys, I know some of you are regular watchers, but I repeat the global roll call because my Instagram account grows by about 125 to 150 people a day. So in between, you know, like 3-4 days of streams, there might be like 500 people that have joined, right? So I try to kind of repeat that just to make everybody, you know, welcome and wanting to participate. All right. Abdul84 says, hello, sir. Hey, Abdul, good to see you again. I know you were here yesterday. Hope that you're well, my friend. Abdul, remind us where you're from. I can't remember if you told us that yesterday or not. Saketh, let's slow down. Pump the brakes. We're not at questions yet. In fact, we're not going to be at questions for a while because I want to get to this project idea. Because I think that might lead to more discussion too, right, guys? Hamad, my good friend, says, hello, sir. Good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing well, thank you. I didn't sleep so great last night, so, you know, kind of getting a slow start to my morning. I got a lot of things to cover today, you know, both here and personal stuff, so lots to do today, but thank you for asking. Rex, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rex, and Patrick also, good morning. Rex and Patrick are two of our big participants on Discord. You know,